Hey guys, today we are going to work on categories through literacy. So, if categorization is one of the language goals you're working on right now, this will be a great video for you to watch. And we are going to do it reading the book Brown Bear, What Do You See? And so, during this book, I'm going to be providing a category, and hopefully, your student will be able to name objects, animals, whatever that would go in that category appropriately. So we are going to read that right now. Brown bear, what do you see? Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. So a brown bear would be a forest animal. So let's see if we can name some more forest animals. Um, Other animals that can go in the category of forest animal might be a deer or a rabbit. Um, do you think a fox or a zebra would go in the category of a forest animal? A fox, you're right. So a fox would go in the category of a forest animal. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. So a red bird can fly. So our category are animals or objects that are able to fly. So what else do you think would go in the flying category? So we can maybe have an airplane, a helicopter, maybe a butterfly. What else do you think would go in that category? Would it be a kite or a house? A kite, right? Because a kite is something you can fly. So in the category of being able to fly, we have both animals and objects. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. So, a horse is an animal that we can ride. And there are all kinds of things that would fit into the being able to ride category, and that can be both animals and objects. So, what else do you think that we would be able to ride? Some of you may say a car or a bicycle. What else do you think we could ride? Do you think we would ride a balloon or a scooter? Yeah, a scooter. A scooter is another object that we are able to ride, so that would fit into the able to ride category. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. So a frog is an animal that is able to hop or jump. So let's think of some more animals that are able to jump. What animals would go in the jumping category? Well, we could say maybe a kangaroo or a rabbit. What else is able to jump that's an animal? Maybe you could say a grasshopper. A grasshopper is an animal that is able to jump. So all of those animals would fit into the jumping category. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. So, a white dog is a type of pet. And you have lots of pets at your house probably, but we are looking for things that fit into the pet category. So, do you think we would put an elephant into the pet category? Probably not. But what else could we fit in there? You know, what was the picture we saw before? A cat. A cat is probably a very appropriate animal that would fit into the pet category. What else could we have? Maybe you said a fish or a gerbil. Dogs, cats, fish, gerbil, those are all kinds of animals that would fit into the pet category. And there's probably others as well. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.